Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you actually have coverage where you are, because no network often means no tower. Once done, toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds, then power the phone fully off and back on to force a fresh network scan. Make sure the SIM tray is properly seated. Remove and inspect the SIM for bends or corrosion, then reinstall it correctly. These quick actions force the radio to re-register and fix common registration failures before deeper fixes. Next, you update carrier settings and the phone OS so the radio firmware and carrier profiles are current. That often resolves authentication or band issues. Then reset network settings to clear broken APN entries, VPN, or saved networks. This reapplies default radio configs. If problems persist, swap the SIM with a working phone to isolate device versus SIM problems, and try a known good SIM in your device. Doing that reveals whether the issue is hardware, software, or provisioning on the carrier side. If you still have no service, call your carrier and verify account activation, SIM provisioning, and roaming permissions. Ask them to push a refresh to your device. Back up your data and perform a factory reset only after carrier confirms there's nothing on their end, because this clears stubborn software corruption. Finally, if the reset fails, try a local carrier SIM or take the phone to a service center to test the radio. If symptoms persist, the hardware antenna, or modem, likely needs professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.